Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Six from the DTT community. Today is Friday, September 27th. Um, Obviously, last week of the month. Um, we are um, looking at the weekly profile right now. So, first, I want to talk about how the price sort of, after reaching Ash Wednesday's take profit levels, um, we expected price to move up, but because of higher time frame PDRAs here, um, and also ES reaching all-time highs, and NQ did not. There remains a significant SMT, but also that caused the price to push down lower and just couldn't reach 27% of the take profit. So in my opinion, that is showing signs of weakness, and we do have to keep in mind next week opening range for Iscariot and how it was going to if it's going to break out towards upside or towards downside. But nevertheless, just want to talk about how this there was an SMT here during almost during the end of the day, but there was no significant push after this. Um, Also, if you really look at this price range, after this huge drop down here, price kind of kept bouncing into this 50% level. Today, it took over this liquidity and started pushing down again to target the sell side liquidity as well. All right, that's all I have to talk about the higher time frame weekly array. Again, this BPR played a huge role in pushing this price down and keeping this bearish towards the end of the week on Thursdays and Friday. Um, Going into the daily time frame, we're gonna look at the 1 minute chart. Um, Today price action was really brutal because there was significant uh, uncorrelated behaviors between between ES and NQ that caused price to be erratic, in my opinion. There was deep pullbacks, and then there's really not a not an area to properly enter. Now, none of these PDRs were really working. There was always some sort of liquidity sweeps. If you really look at right here, in this area, we have this high and this high. Both of these were broken. Although this is 9:30 open right here. Okay. After this push back down, we saw this push up right here. If I were to mark that out for you. Okay, that one you have that high was broken, and then the price started pushing down towards these lows. These lows were targeted, and then we see that after it reached model 11, these small short-term highs were also broken again until here. Just see that clearly. Uh, and price kept doing this sort of liquidity grabs all day in um, in every model. So really, the entries were not super great, super clean. But there was one entry that caught my attention today, somewhere around this area, but targeting the lower range BPR. Let me show you the higher lower range BPR right here in this area. If I were to show you right here, I see a 5 minute. Change that color for you guys. All right. This was the area that caught my attention during the day as I saw price move pushing lower, and then I even have this recorded in my live video or live trading video. I did target this price today, and that was one great move. Um, I don't know where that is on this area, but I don't have it marked. But yeah, that's something that was a good price action right here. If you had caught this entry right here after this uh, sort of displacement anywhere over here, this would have been a great move. Um, but other than that, there was really deep pullbacks, and I also thought after this push down right here, I thought this push was actually going to take down this sell side liquidity, which was resting right here with the equal lows, but price started pushing back up, taking this liquidity. Sorry, I'd grab this liquidity about these tops, these highs. This was one of my loss again today. Although I made that first, I call that BPR move first, but then uh, this this pull back up was not. I didn't intend. I didn't expect this pull back up. So and then price started dropping down, took that liquidity, and then price didn't. Kept consolidating towards the end of the day and just waned out. Okay. That's all I have for today's review. Today was a tough day for me. But we'll come back Monday and review the market again. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.